A look at the history of meditation research. As meditation has grown in popularity, so has its interest within the research and psychology communities. The first piece of scientific research on meditation occurred in 1936 and in 1955 using an EEG. An EEG records electrical waves of activity in the brain by using electrodes placed across an individual's head. In the 1960s, some of the first Western research took place at the Menninger Clinic in Kansas, United States, with Swami Rama, a senior yogi from the Himalayan International Institute of Yoga Science. The studies were led by an American psychologist called Gardner Murphy and specifically focused on investigating Swami Rama's abilities to control different bodily functions that were previously thought completely involuntary, such as his heartbeat and blood pressure. Through the studies, Swami Rama also demonstrated the ability to produce different types of brain waves on demand: alpha, delta, theta, and gamma. The ability to alter his heartbeat radically, including increasing it to 300 beats per minute for 16 seconds and completely stopping it from beating for a few seconds. The ability to remain conscious of the surrounding environment while his brain was in the deep sleep cycle. The ability to control his skin and internal body temperature. The finding from these studies stimulated further interest across the psychological and medical communities to explore the physiological effects of meditation. Benson, Greenwood, and Klemchuk examined the effectiveness of meditation to support positive healthcare initiatives. Through his research, he reported that meditation produces a number of physical and biochemical changes within the body, which he collectively called the relaxation response. This was revolutionary at the time, as previously meditation was thought of as a religious practice and therefore not appropriate for medical or health purposes. Benson's research began to change this opinion and continued the need for further research to fully understand the implications of meditative practice for healthcare. In 2000, the Dalai Lama met with psychologists and neuroscientists from Western backgrounds in India to push the study of accomplished meditation masters with advanced neuroimaging technology and further exploring the impact of meditation on the brain. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health published one such review in 2007. In their report, the researchers reviewed 813 different studies that examined 5 different categories of meditation. They focused on studies involving adults and those that specifically looked at the effects of meditation on physiological conditions such as cardiovascular disease, substance abuse, addiction, and hypertension. From the review, the researchers concluded that there is a lack of quality methodology across studies pertaining to meditation and that there appeared to be no common theoretical perspective across scientific research. Although the quality of the research has certainly improved since the 1960s and 1970s when it first began, the researchers in this review argued that there is still work to be done. Hope you had a clear look at the history of meditation research. We will see you in our next video.